So I figured out my gas gauge didn't work. It said full and I ran out of gas. So I'm gonna tell you how to do this real quick when your gas gauge don't work. This is a brand new 2024 TaoTao. And I ran out of gas. So I'm gonna tell you how to fix this real quick. It's real simple. You're gonna need a 10mm socket, maybe a screwdriver and some pliers. First things first, take the gas cap off, because you're gonna have to take this whole bucket off. All these bolts that keep it in here. This one, this one. So I'm not gonna do all that. I'm gonna cut straight to it. So I like having a straightforward one too, so that way you can get up in here. You know, oops. Get right up in there. Take all these out. I'm just gonna do it and I'm gonna cut back in. So you wanna pop this off. Get straight to the meat and potatoes of it. Hey, you probably need a screwdriver to get this off. It'll take your seat off, but you gotta get it off the actual bucket off of there. You see what I'm saying? You have to lift all that shit up. Alright, so it's 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, 4, and then Phillips or whatever it is. And then usually I like to keep them in the little ridges, and I'll just lift the bucket straight out with them in it. Once you got the bucket off, here's where the problem is. It's plain and simple. Get you some pliers. What you're gonna want to do is, you know, just screw this off. Just come right off. Voila. That's what you're looking for right here. You gotta pull it out. Here's what it looks like when it comes out. This is the reason that it's not reading the gas. First of all, I gotta get some more gas. So the way that this works is turn your bike on. We don't turn it on, but turn it the key forward. Make sure your kill switch is not on. And look, as you do this, look at your gauge. See, I'm doing that right now. That's how you can tell it works. You just gotta place it right. But this is the problem. So, yeah, but say that didn't work though. You know, this thing. Then it's your sensor. You have to replace that if that don't work. But my bike's brand new, so. But basically, you gotta shove this back in here the right way. Loop swoop. I think it was because I didn't give it enough slack. That's what I think. It's probably pulling it. Then this thing right here, slide up in there. And then you tighten it up and you should be good. Alright. See? I ain't got no gas in here, but on, off, on, off. Now it's back working. Put your bucket back on. What the fuck is it? Then put your gas cap, and you're done. You got it. Simple.
Know your six, living by the lit, black flag, Martard, gangsta, then a bitch, SOS be steps,